Hi there, welcome back to another video on making a charcuterie board. This week we're going to be making a Mother's Day board. So what we've done, we've just started out and done a simple serving tray, a ceramic serving tray. We've put bagels, cream cheese, salmon, some sliced onions and capers, along with some sliced brie cheese, so that's going to be our base. And then we've added 2 boiled eggs, one for you and one for Mom. These are mango wood egg cups. So the eggs are boiled and it's very European, you just tap the top off, take the top off, and then you eat your eggs. So we're going to put 2 of those on there for you and Mom. And then I added some jelly or butter. You can use either or both. If she doesn't like salmon, just put some cheese and meat, some kind of meat on it. Of course, Mom's gonna want her cup of coffee, so this is called coffee break. We put one of those on there for her. And then last but not least, Mom always deserves some fresh flowers. I bought these at the local grocery store for $10. It was a great deal, and it makes a perfect little setting for Mother's Day. So there you have it. You can put some saran wrap over this, take off the flowers and the coffee, and present it to Mom, or breakfast in bed, or whatever you want to do. All these items plus more are available on my website at ChristinaHomeDesigns.com. And until next time, happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.